Okay, so we're going to go on a forces and motion scavenger hunt. So click on this, and then to this, to the assignment. Okay, and it'll show up right here. This is a slides assignment. So you have all these slides on the other over here that you'll click on. So this says force and motion. Right here is a quick review on number 2. And have these fill in the blanks, okay? Fill in the word that matches each definition. Push, pull, force, or motion. A push or pull that makes something move. Is that a force, a motion, or a push or a pull? If it's something that makes something else move, it is a force. A push and a pull are types of, so force is right there. Blank, the act of moving. The act of moving. Is it a push, a pull, or a motion? Guess what? It's probably that one. And then you've got the other ones over here. Move something away. If it's moving away, it's either a push or a pull. If it moves something towards you, it's either a push or a pull. I'm going to move this back over here. Okay. Next, number 2, it says forces and motion. Can you find these pushes? Let me move this over. Can you find these pushes and pulls? Label each one as a push or a pull. So when you kick a ball, is it a push or a pull? It could be both. If you are scooting, is it a push or a pull or both? You pick which one it is. Okay. Next. Forces and can you find these pushes and pulls? Label each one. So when you are writing on a piece of paper, are you pushing or pulling? When you are vacuuming and you've got the vacuum, are you pushing or pulling or doing both? Okay. And then for slide number 5, move this over a little more even. Can you find these pushes and pulls? Label each one as a push or a pull, or they could be both. Sweeping, is that pushing or is it pulling? And then, does she look like she's opening or closing a door? Is it a push or a pull? And you decide which one it is. There are a few slides here, and you just have to pull this over. He is with the keyboard. Is that a push or a pull? How about toast in a toaster? A push or a pull? Or is it both? Because it goes down and up. And then, how about opening the door for a fridge? How about ironing something? Push, pull, or both? And then right here, riding a bike, is that a push or a pull? Or both? And how about this window over here? When you're opening the window, the shades right here, is that a push or a pull? Or is it both? I guess if you're opening and closing, who knows? And then the last one, can you find these pushes or pulls? When you are taking a fork and going down on your food, a push or a pull? Is it away or towards you? And then climbing a tree. You decide. And then you are done. Looks like a fun activity.